Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing of USB C HUB 7 inches 1. This USB C HUB includes 4K HDMI, USB 3.0, USB 2.0, USB-C data port, PD100W fast charging, SD and TF, micro SD card reader slots. The 7-in-1 USB-C HUB expands one USB-C port into 7 different ports. No driver or software required. Ultra-thin aluminum alloy shell, anti-temperature and anti-fingerprint. Compact design, lightweight and portable, effectively saves your space. USB-C HUB uses advanced integrated IC chips and intelligent protection systems to prevent overcurrent, overvoltage, and short circuit to ensure the stability and safety of data transmission. This USB-C HUB multi-port adapter is almost compatible with iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 15 Pro, MacBook Air, MacBook M1, M2, MacBook iMac, iPad Pro, Chromebook, Samsung, Steam Deck, Surface, Dell XPS, Huawei, HP, and other USB-C devices. The USB-C adapter supports mobile phones and tablets with DP function. USB 3.0 port supports up to 5 gigabits per second transfer speeds and is recommended for fast transfers of USB devices, USB flash drives, etc. USB 2.0 port is recommended for connecting mice, keyboards, USB fans, etc. Customers find the USB-C HUB works well with various devices including iPads, iPhones, and PCs, and appreciate its great variety of ports. Moreover, the product is well made, compact, and offers good value for money. They like its functionality, with one customer noting it transforms their device into a functional Chromebook, and they find it easy to set up, with one mentioning no drivers are needed. Works well with Mac Mini 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.